What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, we're here for a wonderful day. We had a perfect trading day. No losers, all money today. Prepared from our analysis yesterday. An excellent day. I'm going to be breaking it all down for you guys step by step. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let me go ahead and retweet this out. Let's let everyone know we're live. Live now. Let me show you how to automate trades. Boom. And why don't you let me know where you're tuning in from tonight? Let me throw your name up on the screen and show you some love. Who do we have in the building? Bad Indy, what's going on? Trading Wars Army Spy VIP Holy Grail. Edgar, what's going on? Trading Wars Army Spy VIP Holy Grail. Roop, what's going on? Holy Grail Spy VIP in the building. We got a lot of Trading Wars Army members in the building. We got the Army assembled. Alicia from Philly, what's going on? Questing for one from Florida. What's going on? Trading Wars Army member. Adriana in the building. Good to see you. Mike from Seattle. What's going on? Tina from Edmonton. Harris from Long Island. Colin from Kansas. Dina from Colombia, I guess that is. Andy from Muskoka. What's going on? Motivate in the building. Motivate Sage in the building. We got some Eva from Las Vegas. Sleep Solutions from LA. Ernesto from the K's. G Spearsy, Trading Wars Army. What's going on, my brother? And let's do one more, man. Let's do one more. Let's get the money ready, man. Let's get the money ready. Let me get the money ready right now. Michael, Trading Wars Army. What's going on, my brother? Boom. All right. So how do we get here? Right? How do we get here? So yesterday, guys, we talked about the Fibonacci in play, right? So if I go back and I have this fib, this is the daily chart for the S&P 500. We had this Fibonacci that we identified yesterday. We had this push up, and we pulled back to the 618. And like I said yesterday, guys, we could clearly see that there was an algorithm in here, right? Because as soon as we tapped the 618, there was a big buy up. So we knew that there was a bull algorithm today and going into today. And like I told you guys, what I wanted to do was just stay open to trading both sides, right? I wanted to just be open. So I'm going to start you guys off and let you know how we traded today. So the first thing that I did today, guys, was on a 3-minute chart for SPY. Let me go ahead and remove this. Let me go ahead and hit the replay right here. Let me get the Discord up so I can walk you guys step by step and we can talk about it. So essentially, we had a gap up today. Okay, very simple. Let me go to the live commentary and let me walk you through that. Okay. All right. So first bar comes in, big gap up. Okay. So we're gapping up above the previous day's high. We're gapping up above the close. So right away, remember we said there was a bull algo we saw yesterday. So I wanted to remain open. So what it means to be open is literally take an opening range breakout. You understand what I did there? You want to remain open, so you take the opening range breakout. You let you take whatever it gives you. Okay. So here's the first 3-minute bar. All right. We have the high and the low. If it breaks above the high, we go long. If it breaks below the low, we go short. Boom. There we go. So we broke above the high there, guys. We had a nice little 2-leg push here, and we locked in right there. So you'll see this here. So this is the morning, 9:28. Actually, guys, looks like a nice gap up here. I'm going to be aggressive with the orb. You can leave the trigger open for a retest. Powerful bull bar here on the 3-minute. Get ready for the orb. Hit me with the heart if you're ready. Long. So then we hit the targets here, 1-to-1. Who's banking with me? New high of day, blah, blah, blah. So we crushed it, okay? So that was the first play right there. Opening range breakout, bam. So that was about a 30 or 40% winner on the options. And then from there, guys, we started to pull back a little bit. So whenever we pull back, right, whenever we're pulling back, what we do is we take the Fibonacci and we draw the morning leg from the low to the high like this, okay? So we had this morning leg here, and you'll see in the small account, what we did is we took this 618 right there. We took that long, okay? We took the 618 long, and then we pushed down. We had a little bit of a pop, and we pushed down, and we got stopped out. And I'm going to show you guys right now, if you get stopped out on a trade, how do you re-enter it and actually make your money back, okay? But hit me with a 4 if you're following me right now. Hit me with a 4 if you're following me right now. Are you good? Are you ready to rock and roll? And let me tell you, so we made money on the opening range breakout. We lost money on this fib, and I'm going to show you how we got back in and we made the money back. So hit me with a 4. All right. And then let me just pull up the Twitter. By the time I see those 4s, get the TWIIB account. Okay, bring that over here. Okay. All right. So, okay. So there are the 4s. So this is the 5. This is the 3-minute chart right now. So I'm actually going to switch to the 5. because the 3-minute chart, I only used it for the opening range breakout, and then I always go back to the 5. Okay, so we came here on the 5. You could see we got stopped out, but something very important, guys, is we held the low of the day. All right, and then this pattern right here, boom. Okay, this one right here. If you look closely here, guys, we held the low of the day. So obviously we knew that, hey, you know what? There's a potential here that this could be a double bottom. So literally all we did right here, guys, is we re-entered back on the 618. So yes, we got stopped out on the initial way down, but we re-entered back once we got that confirmation. You see here, we hold that double bottom. We come right here, we hold the fibs, and then we start putting in these long wicks on the bottom here. That's a sign that we want to go back up. So we went ahead there, guys, and we took it back up there. And then we were able to scale out at the highs right there. So that was a beautiful trade. So let me go ahead and show you the broker statement, how that works. Right. So this was today. So you could see right here, so this is with futures contracts from 950 to 1004. We lost 105, and then we re-entered back on 1015 and took it to 1046 for 195. So walking away with $90, about $90 in the small account. All right. So there, man, like everybody asked me, Rich, can you do this small account challenge? I'm doing it, but I don't feel like there's enough attention to it. I don't know why, because everybody asked me do a small account challenge, but when I do it, like I don't see where you guys are at. I don't know where you guys are at. I don't know, but we're doing it and we're helping. And make sure you follow the channel and read. Like, look at these charts. Like, read this. Look at this. Filled on the 618 long. My stop loss was on the 90, so you can see I got poked out and lost 1 hour. If the stop was placed at the low of the day, you would have been safe. Regardless, great play. Then we do this one here. My next play was this beautiful tweezer bottom on the MES chart that was also sitting at the 90. I used the breakout long of the 1010 candle and stop placed at its low. From there, it was just a waiting game until I hit my 2-hour target, meaning I am plus 1 hour on the day. Great plays, lots of reasons to bet on a nice push-up long, which was what happened due to the tweezer bottom shifting perfectly off the 90 morning like fib. Like, that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. I'm telling you right now, guys. I'm telling you, we are not playing games. We show our P&L. We're not talking about flow, low, dough, Fedi WAP, VWAP, City WAP. We ain't about nothing but straight money. That's what I think some of you guys forgot. You came to the market to make money. Did you not? Or did you come to draw lines on the chart? You tell me, did you come for entertainment? You come for money? Hit me with a 1 if you came to the market to make money. Honest question. And hit me with a 2 if you came for entertainment. And it's fine. But just know, if you're here for make money, you have to treat it like a business. And if you're here for entertainment, you could have entertainment. But I am in this game to make money, and that's it. All right. So that was the futures there, and SPY. And then you'll see that was all the trades we took, but you'll see that there was a nice Ragnarok pattern at the high of the day. We had a beautiful Ragnarok pattern here, which is an inside, outside, inside. You see this one right here, guys? And this one with the push down was a beautiful winner. So it didn't take the Ragnarok, but it was nice. You guys know I love the advanced patterns. Let's go ahead here and do the Fibonacci extension from the previous day's range and just show you how that could have came into play as well. So if I take the fib from the high to the low right there, right? And where is 930? Yep, right around here. So you could see, right? We gapped up here and we're in between fibs all day. So we're rejecting on the 618, coming back down to the 272 for support, rejecting, coming down. So the fibs always are going to be there. Make sure you follow it. It's going to help you. Okay. What else? So that was that. That was SPY. Really good day. Now I'm going to talk about the big money in the main account. Okay. I'm going to talk about the big money, make some big money today on the big account. So hit me with a 7 if you're ready for that. Hit me with a 7. And I'm going to break it down for you. Let me take off my sweater here because it's getting hot in here. You know what's coming. Okay. Okay. So first and foremost, we are going to go back to my main channel and we're going to talk about the picks that I was focusing on today. So I focused on Tesla. No, not these ones. Those are my swings. Where's my day trades? Here. So AMD, Tesla, Activision, and Nike. Okay. So I ended up taking AMD, Tesla, and Disney because Nike gapped up and ATVI wasn't able to get filled. So I ended up taking Disney with that instead. All right. So let me just show you guys here. So in the morning, right off the bat, I was able to lock in $625 on Tesla, and I'm also swing trading Tesla. So let's talk about Tesla right now. Okay, let's start from the beginning with Tesla. So, and I need you guys right now. I'm telling you right now, this is the best thing you can do for your education right now. Get a pen and a pad out. Get the pen and the pad out. If you have my book, grab the book. Okay, grab the book, go to the inside, the fractal trading, and start taking some notes. Write this down. All right. So yesterday we had a inside bar on Tesla. Okay, let's be non-subjective and let's just look at these inside bars. The inside bars are the yellow ones. So generally, guys, not all the time, but generally off of these inside bars, we have some great moves. Okay, I'm gonna go very slow on this one. I'm gonna go very slow. Okay, so an inside bar is a form of consolidation. What it means is that for the whole day, so this was on Monday. What it means is that the range of Monday traded inside the previous range, which was Friday. And what that means is we are trapped in a small range, and it's like building energy. It's like getting tense. And what is happening in that inside bar is we're destroying option premiums and trapping traders, because traders want things to happen now. If you buy something now, you want it to go up. You don't want it to go sideways. And this creates an emotional reaction in the stock market. It creates decay in option premiums, which cause people to cover their trades as well. So we have an inside bar. It's consolidating. It's going tight. Sometimes what happens is we get a false breakout. Like you see the last one here on Tesla, we broke above and we came back down. So sometimes we have that. But on other times, we have these big gap ups. And we also have these clean pushes and breaks of the previous high. And then we go higher. Okay. So hit me with a 7 right now. Are you following me? Okay. I'm going very slow because I want to make sure that you guys understand this. So are you following the story so far? Hit me with a 7. So think about it like this. You can trade Tesla every single day, but I am going to trade Tesla when the stars are aligned. When I know that some people are trapped, some people are in trouble, when I know that the option premiums are cheaper, when I know that the chicken is being marinated and is getting ready to put in the oven. You see what I'm saying? Okay. All right. All good. All good. So now what we do here is we go to the trade plan. All right. This is an example, right? You don't have to use my trade plans. You can use your own. But this is the trade plan for Tesla. Entry 894.31. Okay. So we go down to 5 minutes so we can investigate this a little bit. So this is the inside bar right here. Right? Sorry, no, that's not the inside bar. This is the inside bar. Right here. From the 14th, it's right here. All right. Okay. So we're here right now and we say, man, you know what? This thing's been chopping. Look, you could see, right? Because this was the big range of Tesla before, right? Let me draw a big box over this so we can see. This was Friday's range. Okay. This is Friday's range. So you see how big Friday's range is? How much points is that? It's about 95 points, 11%. Okay. Then, so no, this is not just Fridays. This is Fridays and Thursdays. So you can see it's in this, there's this bigger range. And then on Monday, we have this tiny range like this. So let me put this like this now. Let me make this another color. Okay. Yellow. Wait. Anything else I can put here that'll make it stand out a little bit more? Oh, I think it's this one. There we go. All right. So can you guys visually see this now? So this is the total range that we're dealing with. And here is the inside bar. It's a very, very tight range. So the option premiums relatively are going to be hit on Monday. They're going to be decayed because after a big move like this, the market is expecting more, but it doesn't. Instead, it goes sideways. And we have a big box and a small one. All right. So now we have to say, all right, how can we enter the trade? How can we get into the trade? Well, this is why I post the trade plans every single day. And in my trade plan, I'm always neutral. I'm always willing to go long or short. So let me show you right here. 894.31 is my long. Okay, so I'm going to put that in green. 894.31. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and change this to green because this is where I want to go long. And then what about my short? My short plan is 857.72. Okay, there we go. So now I said, all right, we had a big range. We got all tight up in this range. Now I'm going to look to play the break of this range. Okay, I'm going to play the break of this range. So what I'm going to do here is, all right, if it breaks above the green line here, I'm going to go long. If it breaks below this green line, I'm going to go short. Hit me with a 9 if you're following me. I hope these boxes help you to see. Okay, so we're talking about a 95-point range to getting tight on a Monday and taking us down to a 46-point range. So it's basically half. So obviously the traders that were shorting down here, what's going to happen to these guys? Look at these traders. Let's call them out. What is going to happen to these guys here that shorted here? There are people that short here. What do you think is going to happen to them? If we start popping up here, those that shorted down here are going to be in big trouble. Okay, so here we go. Here's my play on the day. Boom, Tesla. Okay, that green line. You see the candle. So let me clean up the chart now so we can see it. So that green line, guys, that's my entry. So we touch the entry one time. We touch it one time. Boom, we're filled in the position, and let me just fast forward, explode. It's just exceptional. Magnificent. Magnificent. When I catch the low of the day like that, I almost get a heart attack because it's just insane. And that's why I have my triggers in particular places, because I know from my back testing where it needs to work, where it needs to fail. So right here, guys, let me show you. So we got in on Tesla right here, 9:30:32. So 32 seconds after the open, we got filled with 50 shares. Okay, so I got 50 shares at the open, 9:30:32. And then at 9:42, 12 minutes later, I covered 37 for $625.60. And I have 13 more that I'm swing trading. And that's how it's done, guys. And there's my broker statement. And the trade plan is posted the night before. Look at this right here. Yesterday at 18:52. So let's stop the hindsight bullshit. Okay. And then here is the updated swing trades. Okay. So I took Tesla with shares only in my large account. I take shares and option contracts, but I didn't take any of the option contracts on Tesla. I didn't. So the premiums, I mean, I could have, but I already put in 50 shares, which is a lot. Okay. So I'm trying to manage my risk as well. So because I wanted to do two trades, a day trade and a swing trade. So that's why I wanted to load up with shares. So you'll see here, this is where we are with the swing trades now. So we had a slow start last week, and now we start to pick up. Okay, so Tesla, we hit the target today. Google, we got filled on today, and I think this also hit the target too. Let me see. I think we hit the partial. Let me see. I need to update that. Swing trade alerts, Google partial. Yep, so we hit that too. So we hit Google, okay, and then we hit Apple on the short yesterday, EA and Exelon, all money. Beautiful. All right, so there we are. So that's how you do it. So like, I hope that explanation makes sense. Like, this is why we trade these inside bar breakouts, and we need a trigger to get us in, and your trigger better be good. Because if your trigger is not good, then you're wasting your time. Okay. So that's like the ideal situation there. All right. So after that, I took AMD. AMD, same thing, guys. Look at this. Same thing. Inside bar. Took this green somewhere up here. Let me see if I can find the broker statements right there, guys. And then we popped. Same thing. Same exact trade as Tesla. Same concept. Let me see if I have it. Did I post AMD? Where did I post it? There we go. So here is AMD 608.35. So there we go, guys. Boom. Same thing. Like I don't change the way I trade every single day. I do the same thing. That's it. And that's how you make money. And if you don't know that by now, that simplicity is what makes money, you're going to learn it eventually. You just better make sure you learn it while you have an account, because by the time I learned it, I already blew up my first account. All right. So there we go, guys. So going forward, the outlook for me tomorrow is literally the easy money was made today. All of the easy money was made today because we knew we had the 618. We had a gap up, very clean, took the 3-minute orb. Very, very simple. Not bad, right? And now from here, we have to see how we open tomorrow. I recommend to you guys as traders, always wait for the open tomorrow and then make your decision on what you want to do. Because the open is usually going to give you clues on who's going to be in control for the rest of the day. So for example, with this gap up today, and because of the 618 down here yesterday, I wanted to just play bullish because I knew that the algo did win overnight. That's why we gapped up. Okay. So there we go, guys. Tradingview is not integrated with interactive brokers. It's by itself. How would you handle calls in the situation in Tesla? Same thing, bro. So I would just take them off at the targets. And if you have multiple, it's kind of hard because Tesla is expensive. If you have multiple, you just want to swing one over. Okay. But don't swing too much because obviously anytime you hold overnight, it's always a gamble. So there we go. I'm done. Hit me with a 4 if you enjoyed today's lesson. I try to go very detailed. I want to just teach you guys as much as I can. And I know that a lot of you guys are getting success and doing well. And I just want to keep you on the right path in these times because there's a lot of people that are pushing their own agenda. Just focus on what you got to do every single day. Take your trades and just move on. And with a 2-to-1 risk to reward, we only need to hit 34 out of 100 trades to make money. Step away from tickers that have inside but also have earnings in the same way because option premiums would be very expensive. Yes, Michael. So that's a good point. Yeah. If with inside closes and earnings around the corner, it's more of a gamble. But if you want to gamble, then you can, but just make sure you don't put too much money into it, right? Like if you want to gamble, that's fine, but you don't blow up your account, right? There's always going to be a gamble when you're playing the earning side. So be careful on that. But there's still great opportunities out there. Just know your risk. Okay. All right. So that's it for me, guys. I'm done. Please leave a comment below for a chance to win a giveaway. Every Sunday we do giveaways. I have some great guests coming on to my to the YouTube channel soon. I have Data Warrior coming back. I have Trendspider coming back, and I have something planned with Drippy. Right? We're going to be doing stuff to help educate people and just show you guys different ways to continue to make money and continue to trade, because that's what it's about. It's about helping you, right? We do it for you. So I want to thank you very much for your time. Guys, if you're interested, check me out at tradingwars.com. If you get any one of my 3 books, guys, if you get any one of those books, you get 1 month for free in the room. So you can come trade with me live tomorrow if you're interested. If not, you could just subscribe to these rooms directly here. This is the SPY room and this is the stock room. Okay. And I want to thank you very much for your time. Again, I appreciate you. So today I want you to comment on, were you on the right side today, guys? Like, did you play long or did you play short today? Did you make money? Yes or no? I just want to see where you guys are at. So, and if you didn't make money, or if you did make money, what do you think was the reason, right? Like, was it because you had a bias? Was it because you didn't read the chart? Was it emotional? Like, let me know so that I can do some more videos on psychology. So I'm going to end the broadcast here. Comment. And don't forget, when you comment, you have a chance to win a giveaway. Okay. So it's worth it. Trust me, it's worth it, man. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Catch you tomorrow.